Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to set a beautiful rustic glam table. So I'm actually going to set 2 tablescapes. Now I was inspired by these dishes that I picked up from Goodwill. So if you noticed in my last video, the summer home tour, in the dining room I did not have the table set, and so I thought I would set the table for you guys today. I had guests coming in over the holiday weekend and I didn't want to get into setting a tablescape, so I thought I would save it for now. And then someone had recently mentioned that they missed my tablescapes because I really have not been doing tablescapes lately. I've been more into a simple, like everyday tablescape. So I thought, why don't I go ahead and share a tablescape, because I haven't shared one in a very long time. So as you can see here, I have 2 different settings that I will be using. So I'm going to do one that is a little bit more on the glam side, but still have some rustic features. And then I'm going to do one that's just simple elegance. Probably not that much glam, but I always like to bring in a little bit of an elegant factor no matter what I'm doing. So the plates that I will be using came from Goodwill. Now I picked up these plates because I thought they were so pretty. I love the delicate blue floral pattern around the edge, and they do have a little bit of a raised pattern to them, and I just thought those were so pretty. And they are by the brand, what is that, Glam. And so I thought these were really pretty with the nice silver trim, and they only have 5, so I picked up the 5 that they had, and I thought they could be used for dessert plates. And then I picked up this set of dishes. I was able to get a set of 6, which is uncommon in Goodwill, but I did manage to get 6 salad bowls and then 6 dinner plates. And so I'll be using these dishes in both place settings. And I'll also be using some placemats that I got from Home Goods, and I picked these up a while back. I think I used them in the fall, but they were only $5, and so I picked up 2 sets. And I just love the linen texture and then the gold lurex thread running through it. It gives me that rustic glam vibe that I'm always going for. So I'm going to share with you how I pulled together a very elegant summer tablescape, but on a budget. Okay, so if you saw my home tour, this was the tablescape that I used for the dining room, and it's just simple, and that's the way I like to do it every day when it's not a holiday. So this will be the centerpiece for each tablescape, except I may tweak it just a little bit to accommodate each design. And as I mentioned before, I will be using these plates for both tablescapes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is my simple but elegant summer place setting. I like a beautiful tablescape, but I like it to be on a budget. And so most of these items came from Home Goods. You know, the plates came from Goodwill, and these beautiful amber colored glasses came from Home Goods, and I got them on clearance, and you guys won't believe I got them for $1 each. And so the napkins came from Pier 1 several years ago, and Pier 1 used to be my go-to place for napkins before they closed here in the Kansas City area. I just love the detail that are on these napkins, and these vases are pretty inexpensive. You can get these from Home Goods anywhere from about $8 to $15. And I picked these up over the holiday last year. And so they always have beautiful home decor made in India. So I would check out Home Goods if you're looking for something pretty but inexpensive. The tray is from Home Goods. The beads I recently picked up from Tuesday Morning. I also got this tall candle holder from Tuesday Morning, and it was on clearance for $13 and 25% off. So I love to have a beautiful tablescape with a little shine, but I also love bringing in those textures in different woven fabrics like linen, in the placemat, and then the woven texture in the napkins alongside of the bling on the napkins, and as well as in the napkin ring. And I tried to bring in that same rustic glam vibe on the buffet as well. So I usually get lots of questions about this cake stand when I share it in my videos, and this actually is a plate holder. I just have it turned upside down, and I placed a plate on top and then a glass dome on top of the plate, and that just creates a little height for my cake. So now that you've seen my Glam summer tablescape, let me share one with you that is just a little bit more toned down for summer. Okay everyone, so this is my Summer Breeze tablescape. It is light and airy with a fresh take on blue, and there's a little bit of blue for the water, and then the neutral color is for the sand. Now this is another budget-friendly tablescape. I have the blue glasses that came from Goodwill. The stemware came from Dollar Tree. And of course, everything else I talked about pretty much in the previous clips with the other tablescape, except these napkin rings. Now they were partially thrifted, and then these were a DIY. The gold ring came from Hobby Lobby, and the blue stones were a necklace that I thrifted from a store here called Savers. And so I went in looking for a necklace and found a very nice necklace with 6 stones. I'm only sharing 4 right now, but I was able to make 6 napkin rings. The necklace I believe was $2.99, and the napkin rings were $2.99 a piece, but I got them at Hobby Lobby. So I want to thank you all for watching, and next week I'm calling next week my tour week. I do have a few tours that I like to share with you. I know I have some model home tours that I'd like to share with you guys, as well as a store tour. Now if you guys would like to see a home goods tour, I can do that as well. Sometimes I like to share with you guys different stores that we don't always visit. And so if you guys have some tours that you would like to see, please list them below, and maybe I can include them in next week as well. If I get enough ideas, maybe I will give you 3 videos next week. And so the plates are here on the buffet, and I think they are so pretty and delicate. I am so glad that I picked them up, and I just love the silver trim on them.